The town of Panipat in Haryana is the hub for a thriving industry that recycles used clothes. Trucks loaded with at least 15 tons of all kinds of used garments come in every day from Kandla, a port in Gujarat more than 1200 kilometers away.
जितने भी ट्रक आते हैं हमारे पास ये कांडला से आते हैं। कांडला से आने के बाद फिर हम इनको कांटा करवाते हैं। कांटा करवाने के बाद ये बेल्स पैक में आता है, जितना भी रैक्स होता है। बेल्स पैक्स में आने के बाद फिर इनका कांटा करवा के फिर फैक्ट्री के अंदर उतारा जाता है इनको।
Once the clothes are brought in, they are taken to recycling factories where they are chopped up and separated into yarn. The chopped up clothes are then transformed back to yarn and thread, which will be used to make a variety of finished goods like blankets, doormats, shawls and bed linen. Those that don't go under the chopper, like tracksuits, t-shirts and even jeans, are sold at cut rate prices in places like Delhi's Azad Market.
This is only the poor people taking, not rich. This is a 10 rupees piece, 5 rupees piece, all the footpath, not in showroom. We are selling.
It's a business worth $1 billion worldwide. Some of these will also travel the world, like these brilliant black and red checkered shawls which will be sold to Maasai tribesmen in Kenya and Tanzania, or Christmas-themed rugs that go to discount stores in Europe and America. Worn garments are under the restricted list, which means traders are allowed to import them a single time after paying penalty. But the government has made an exception. Only 14 companies operating at Kandla Special Economic Zone are allowed to import the clothes duty-free. In 2008-09, about 2 lakh tons of worn garments were imported into India. Most of the recycling plants receive less than 5 hours of power a day, running mainly on generators. They say that this increases the cost of their products, which makes them vulnerable to competition, especially from China. But businessmen here say volume is the name of the game and that more companies must be allowed to import freely to ease competition from China. This is Maitreyi Handik reporting for Mint TV from Panipat.